Are we truly alone, or have beings from unknown worlds been watching us for a long time? If governments have been hiding a massive truth, what would that mean for our lives today? And why does the name of one desert base in Nevada still excite the world and spark endless speculation after all these decades? Area 51, hidden deep in the burning deserts of Nevada, has kept fear and curiosity alive for generations. On one hand, it is a top-secret U.S. military base. On the other, in popular culture, it has become the supposed gateway to the unknown and home of UFOs. Its importance lies not only in myths, but also in the impact it has had on politics, science, and even daily life. Area 51 was officially established in 1955 by the U.S. government. At that time, the Cold War between America and the Soviet Union was at its peak, and developing advanced spy aircraft was absolutely critical. The base was created mainly to test ultra-secret planes like the U-2. Its remote desert location provided the perfect cover for these projects. But this secrecy itself ignited the very first sparks of rumor. When locals saw strange objects in the sky with no logical explanation, whispers of flying saucers quickly spread. But the story didn't end there. In 1947, a few years before Area 51 was officially built, an incident in Roswell, New Mexico shook the world. The military claimed the crashed object was a weather balloon, but local witnesses reported unusual metallic debris with strange properties. Many still believe the wreckage was taken straight to Area 51. This belief helped turn the Nevada base into a symbol of all extraterrestrial mysteries. In the 1960s and 70s, advanced aircraft such as the SR-71 Blackbird and later the F-117 Nighthawk were tested here. These planes looked so strange and flew so fast that many thought they were beyond human technology. For example, the SR-71 could fly at more than 3 times the speed of sound, an unbelievable number at the time. These achievements showed that secrecy could indeed push technology forward, but they also blurred the line between reality and imagination. Then, in 1989, a man named Bob Lazar gave a shocking interview claiming he had worked on recovered alien spacecraft at Area 51. He even mentioned a mysterious fuel called Element 115. Strangely enough, decades later, scientists really did discover an element with atomic number 115, called moscovium. While its properties didn't match Lazar's description, the coincidence gave his claims more weight, and once again threw Area 51 into the global spotlight. Still, for decades, the US government denied the very existence of Area 51. Until 2013, no official document even mentioned it. When the CIA finally released declassified files on the U-2 project, people were stunned. The reports revealed that test flights of these aircraft were responsible for more than half of all UFO sightings during those years. In other words, much of the mystery was linked to earthly technology. But even this revelation couldn't kill the curiosity. According to surveys, more than 50% of Americans believe the government is hiding information about aliens. That number shows this is more than just a local legend. It has become part of global culture. Hollywood has fueled it too, with films like Independence Day and Men in Black, deliberately making Area 51 a pop culture icon of secrecy and adventure. At the same time, the mystery carries both positives and negatives. On one hand, military secrecy led to technological breakthroughs that later entered everyday life, like stealth systems and aerospace advances. On the other hand, it also created deep distrust toward government. In today's world, where transparency is vital, Area 51 stands as a symbol of the struggle between security and truth. If we look at our daily lives, we can still see traces of this story. Drones, stealth fighters, and even parts of NASA's research trace their roots back to secret projects. Every time we lift our smartphone to capture the moon or a distant star, we're reminded that human curiosity knows no boundaries. Whether Area 51 is truly home to aliens or simply a military testing ground, it continues to inspire that same curiosity worldwide. But the biggest question remains: if one day the truth is revealed and we learn we are not alone, how will human life change? Will such a discovery unite us or create the deepest divide in history? Perhaps the answer will never be certain, but these very questions are enough to keep our minds racing. Now it's your turn. Do you think Area 51 is hiding something more than just a military base? Share your thoughts in the comments because this story is far from over,